Hi there, it's Kurt with Kurt Tanner Motor Cars. Today we have on offer this 1955 MG TF 1500 Roadster. It's finished in black with a red interior, 1500 original matching CC engine, black body colored wire wheels, white top and weather equipment, and a black tonneau cover. So we believe this is a California car. We just recently purchased it from its last owner of the past 17, 18 years. This car he purchased in Laguna Beach, California, and on his way home after the purchase, the engine let go. So he spent about 10 grand rebuilding this engine in 1991 or 2, I believe, and it's only had about 4,000 miles since. So really genuine. Just shut the hood here. Really genuine, attractive, original TF 1500. This was the last year they produced the T series. This is by far the most interesting and most desirable of the TA through the TF series model. This is a matching number 1500, and in terms of usability, this is the one you want. If there is one MGT to go in your car collection, this is it, because it's the most usable, it's got the most power, it's fitted with these beautiful 15-inch wire wheels. The styling's fantastic on it. Really nicely balanced car. Prettiest one out there. Looks like a miniature SS100 Jaguar. So really good original car. This car is wearing some older paint work. We've just had it detailed and it's come up nicely, but just has a real nice genuine feel to it with its older paint work. Real honest. You know, you can see here there's a couple little chips and couple little scrapes and maybe a little tiny bit of spidering here. But you know, the general appearance of the car is fantastic overall if you stand back and view it from maybe 5 or 10 feet. So, but yeah, real lovely, genuine thing. You can see another couple little chips here and there, but you know, just a super honest California car, and runs and drives wonderfully. When that engine was rebuilt, they actually they dug a little bit deeper into the car, and they sort of tidied up all the undercarriage. They did the brakes, they did the wiring harness, left the cosmetics pretty much original, but mechanically did a very nice, you know, going through of the car, making it extremely roadworthy. You can see me driving it preceding this video, and it's a wonderful driver. Very nice car with a great engine, great oil pressure, good transmission that clicks nicely into gear, brake pedals right at the top. You can see it's fitted with these newer tires on these powder coated wire wheels. You know, very nice overall, genuine condition with great mechanicals. So yeah, let's do a little walk around on this car. So like I was saying, it's just a very nice, genuine, lowish mileage car. Very good chrome, good paint, good interior, still fitted with its original steering wheel. So this is the driver's door panel here. Real nice condition. Seats are in great shape. You can see a little bit of wear just starting in the middle of the seat there, but very nice. You know, very nice driver condition interior. Carpets are in great condition. All the instruments on this car, you can see that beautiful original dashboard. All the instruments in this car are operating correctly. The car starts easily on choke, revs nicely on the button. Black tonneau cover fitted in the stowage compartment here. is where the set of white side curtains fit. You can see the still photos. We've got some good pictures of all the weather equipment fitted nicely. So it does come with a white top, white side curtain set, black tonneau cover, but really nice, genuine overall condition on this MG TF 1500 with its rebuilt matching numbers engine. We'll take a look under here. You can see that very, very nicely rebuilt. Correct original XPEG 1500cc engine. Very tough to find these TFs with the matching numbers, 1500 driveline. You can see they did a nice tidy up here. They did a nice little restoration on all the engine compartment, and fuel system was rebuilt as well. But a wonderful driving car overall. Original VIN plate. It comes with tools, original jack here, original body tag. You can see how nice and fresh still that rebuilt 1500cc engine looks. Radiator was done as well. So yeah, we've got receipts on the full rebuild with its few miles since. But you know, enough miles to sort of break it in and sort the car out nicely. But yeah, lovely looking car. Great road appeal here. We'll do a final walk around. So this is our 1955 MG TF 1500 Roadster, finished in black with red trim, white top and weather equipment, white side curtains, black tonneau cover, 4-speed, 15-inch body coated wire wheels. They've been powder coated, and this is an excellent, genuine California car. Older cosmetics, runs and drives exceptionally well. Great addition to your car collection if you're in the market for an MGT. These are very important sports cars, being shipped over in the late 40s, sort of the first post-war British sports car to land on American shores. And this is the final variation of the model, 1955 MG TF 1500 wire-wheeled Roadster. And it's for sale right now on our website, www.kurttannermotorcars.com.